Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your images into pictorial charts with Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva, a desktop version. So don't forget to sign in with your account. So here you can click apps, then click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and try to find the pictogram maker. Create the diverse pictorial charts with image or icon. So you can effortlessly create personalized pictorial charts. So you can click use in new design. For example, let's try with Instagram aspect ratio. And here we go. So you can choose the image to access this feature, but you have to upgrade the pictogram maker pro. So this is for the icon, this is free one. So you can select the icon, for example this emotes icon, and this is the style. Let's try with the horizontal stack, and here more style you need to upgrade. So you can rename. This is optional, and this is the fill color and segment 2 also. Let's try with the green or a mint, a little bit a mint, and black. So here you can choose to generate. So here we go. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so the links button below. See you in the next video.